Once upon a time, in a small town, there lived a girl named Mina. Mina was 12 years old, and she loved to draw. She always carried her sketchbook and pencils with her. Mina wasn't the best artist, but she enjoyed drawing pictures of trees, houses, and animals. One day, while she was drawing in the park, an old woman approached her. The woman had a kind smile and said, "Hello, dear. That's a lovely drawing you're making." Mina looked at her sketch and replied, "Thank you, but it's not very good. I wish I could draw better." The old woman chuckled and reached into her bag. She pulled out a shiny pencil. "Take this pencil," she said. "It's special. It will help you create anything you imagine." Mina was curious. "Anything I imagine?" she asked. The woman nodded and handed her the pencil. Mina couldn't wait to try the pencil. She quickly opened her sketchbook and began drawing a flower. The pencil moved so smoothly, as if it was alive. When she finished the drawing, something amazing happened. The flower on the paper started to glow, and then it popped out of the page. Mina gasped. "It's real!" she exclaimed, holding the flower in her hands. She ran home to show her mother. "Look, Mom, I drew this flower, and now it's real." Her mom laughed. "That's a beautiful flower, Mina. But how did you do it?" Mina decided to keep the magic pencil a secret. The next day, Mina wanted to test the pencil again. She drew a small bird. Just like before, the bird came to life and flew around her room. Mina was amazed. Soon she started creating more things. She drew a delicious cake for her brother's birthday, a toy car for her little cousin, and even a kite. Mina's friends began to notice her incredible drawings. They would say, "Wow, Mina, how do you make such amazing things?" Mina just smiled and said, "It's a little bit of magic." One day, Mina decided to draw something big. She wanted to make a tree that would grow in her backyard. She picked up the pencil and began drawing a tall, beautiful tree with green leaves and red apples. When the tree came to life, it was bigger than she expected. It covered the whole backyard, and its branches reached into her neighbor's yard. Her neighbor, Mr. Gupta, was not happy. He came to her house and said, "Mina, this tree is blocking the sunlight in my garden. Can you remove it?" Mina felt bad. She tried erasing the tree with a regular eraser, but nothing happened. The tree wouldn't disappear. She realized she needed help. Mina remembered the old woman who had given her the pencil. She decided to go to the park and look for her. When she reached the park, the old woman was sitting on a bench. Mina ran to her and said, "Excuse me, ma'am. I need your help. I used the pencil to draw a tree, but now it's too big." The old woman smiled. "Ah, I see you've learned an important lesson. The magic pencil is powerful, but you must use it carefully." She handed Mina an eraser. "This is a magic eraser. It will help you fix your mistake." Mina took the eraser and said, "Thank you so much." When Mina got home, she used the magic eraser on the tree. Slowly, the tree disappeared, and her backyard was back to normal. She went to Mr. Gupta and said, "I'm sorry for the trouble I caused. I've fixed the tree." Mr. Gupta smiled and said, "That's okay, Mina. You're a good girl for making things right." From that day, Mina used the magic pencil more carefully. She still loved to draw, but she made sure her creations didn't cause problems. She also decided to use the pencil to help others. She drew warm blankets for the poor, toys for children, and food for those who were hungry. The old woman visited her one last time. She said, "You have used the pencil wisely, Mina. I'm proud of you." Mina smiled and said, "Thank you for trusting me with it." And so, Mina continued to create beautiful things, bringing happiness to her little town.